welcome to Digital Bytes. Hey everyone, this is Desiree. Today I want to talk about the NVDA add-on store. Now I went through this before and honestly I was trying to look for better voices for NVDA. I'm not a real big fan of the SAPI 5 or Microsoft One Core, Windows One Core, whatever those voices are. So I was trying to find something else. I also don't like the eSpeak software. It's kind of clunky and I just don't like the sound of it. Unfortunately, I didn't have a lot of luck finding better, but there were a lot of things in the add-on store that I thought were really important for people to know about if they are going to use NVDA. So I have NVDA running right now, but to get to the NVDA menu, I need to press Insert plus N.
NVDA menu.
And now I'm in the menu, and I'm going to down arrow.
Preferences submenu P. Tools submenu T.
And under Tools, I'm going to right arrow.
View log L. Speech viewer S. Braille viewer B. Add-on store.
And there's
A.
the add-on store. I could have just pressed A, but there were other things that I thought would be good for you to know about in the Tools menu. So if I press Enter here on the add-on store.
Add-on store warning dialog. Add-ons are created by the NVDA community and are not vetted by NV Access. NV Access cannot be held responsible for add-on behavior. The functionality of add-ons is unrestricted and can include accessing your personal data or even the entire system. Don't show this message again. Checkbox not checked. Alt+D.
Okay, so it's just a disclaimer telling you that NV Access isn't responsible if some of these add-ons don't work. I'm going to go ahead and check that because I don't need it to read that every time I open the add-on store.
Checked.
Then I'm going to tab.
OK button Alt+O.
And press OK.
Add-on store. Available add-ons. Stable. Dialog accent manager.
Okay, so here you can actually filter the add-ons that are available. So let's shift tab here and see what our filtering options are.
Search. Edit Alt+S blank. Include incompatible add-ons. Checkbox not checked. Alt+I. Channel. Combo box stable collapsed. Alt+N.
Now here's the channel and it says stable. So if I down arrow here.
Beta.
Beta.
Dev.
Dev. Or
Beta,
if I go
stable,
up.
all.
All. So I'm just going to go on all. Why not? It'll tell me when I find the add-on that I want, what kind of add-on it is. So I'm going to tab again.
Include incompatible add-ons. Checkbox not checked. Alt search. Edit available add-ons. List Alt+A. Accent manager.
Okay.
Status. Available. Available version. 1.0. Channel. Stable. Publisher. Derek Reamer. lesdreamer.reamer@gmail.com. Grader. Date. 8/14/2025. 1 of 245.
Okay, so there are 245 add-ons here. That's a lot of add-ons. I don't think we need all of those, but if I down arrow here, I can hear a few of them.
Access 8 Math. Accessible Agenda. Add-ons documentation. AI chatbot. AI content describer. Status. AI chatbot.
So it has its own AI chatbot, kind of like FS Companion is in JAWS.
AI content describer. AI image generator. AI Sound 5 Chinese TDS add-on for NVDA.
It has an image generator. I haven't played with that, and a lot of these I haven't played with, but these are some of our options here.
AI Summarizer. Alzocker. AM Radio. Application Dictionary. App-on. Audio Manager. Audio Video Converter. Calculate your BMI. Calculator. Caliber Access of Char Desk Merge. Character Information. Check Input Gestures. Chinese Input Met. CJK Enhanced. Clip Contents Design. Clip Contents Design. Clip Manage. Clipboard Enhancement. Columns Review. Command Helper. Console Toolkit. Contacts Manage. Dropbox. Status. Available. Available version. June 13th, 2025. Channel. Stable. Publisher. Refontes. Date. 6/13/2025. 63 of 245.
So I would be interested in that add-on. I don't know what it does. If I tab from here.
Description. Edit read-only multi-line announces Dropbox status or open the Dropbox System menu.
Okay, so it just announces the status of Dropbox or opens a system tray. Doesn't do too much, at least for me. I thought maybe it was a Dropbox add-on or something.
Golden cursor. Gold wave. Status.
They have Gold Wave.
Google Docs accessibility.
Google Docs accessibility. What does that do? I can tab.
Description. Edit read-only multi-line accessibility enhancements for Google Docs.
So it just has some enhancements so that Google Docs is a little more accessible using NVDA.
Available here to read index speech if interpreters. Indent NAV. Outlook extended. Status. Available. Description. Edit read only multi-line extended support and features for Microsoft Outlook.
Okay.
Extended support.
Let's say I want that because, I use Outlook a lot. So I'm going to tab again.
Actions button Alt+C. Actions button press. Context menu. Install I.
Okay. So I would go to the Actions button and then press space, and then I can go install.
Add-on store. Available add-ons. All. Dialog Outlook extended. Actions button Alt+C. Available add-ons. List Alt+A. Outlook extended. Status. Downloaded. Pending install. Available version. 3.2. Channel. Stable. Publisher. Cyril Buget.
Okay, so it's pending install. What happens is when you exit NVDA and enter it again, it will have that installed. So if I were to do my insert N,
NVDA menu.
and then arrow up to exit,
Exit X. Exit NVDA dialog.
say yes. And when it exited, it did install that add-on, and I can check it. I'm going to start NVDA again with Control-Alt-N.
Loading NV task view toggle button not pressed 1 desktop.
Okay, so it's loaded NVDA for me. Now if I do Insert N.
NVDA menu. Exit X. Preferences submenu tool submenu T view log L. Reload plug run com registration fixing tool create port Python console add-on store.
Go back to the add-on store.
Installed add-ons. All. Dialog Outlook extended. Installed add-ons. List Alt+A. Outlook.
Okay, so the first thing now it's showing me that I have some installed add-ons, and Outlook Extended is there.
Tab control. Installed add-ons tab selected.
Okay, so now that I have one add-on installed on this computer, it automatically takes me to my installed add-ons. If I were to add a bunch of other ones, I could uninstall them if I wanted to, or I could find new ones by going to the Available tab.
Up Available add-ons tab selected.
And then
Sort by column. Combo box name. Ascending. Collapsed Alt+M. Channel. Combo box stable collapsed Alt+N. Include incompatible add-ons checkbox not checked Alt+I. Search. Available add-on. Search.
Now you can also search for one you want. So let's say I'm looking for the ChatGPT add-on. I'm going to just type chat.
Chat. Available add-ons. List Alt+A. AI chatbot. PC WeChat enhancement. AI chat.
Okay. So I don't see that one. Maybe I have to include the incompatible
Search.
things
Include
here.
incompatible add. Checked. Search. Edit available add-ons. AI translate. Ask ChatGPT. Status. Incompatible. Available version. 0.2. Direct link. Status. PC WeChat enhancement. TT announcer. Unigram plus. WhatsApp plus. Status. Incompatible.
I don't know why they say they're incompatible, and I don't know what the difference is if you install it anyway. I would have to do some playing with that to see if it makes any difference. And why does it say incompatible? So that's an interesting thing. But that's just basically how to open the add-on store and a few options that are available. There are a few voices. There aren't a ton. There's the Code Factory voices that you can purchase that have the Eloquence voices. But the Vocalizer Expressive and all those other ones don't work yet with NVDA. So I'm hoping that they will change that and make some of that stuff work a little more for NVDA users. So that's my bite for today, and everyone have an awesome rest of your day.
Hey everyone, it's Chris, and I'm here to share a really neat tip with you on how to deal with automated menus when you're making a phone call. Now, I'm going to demonstrate on both my Android and my iPhone. Yes, Android gets some love today. Never mind that I'm first going to start with my iPhone. What I wanted to share with you is when you have to deal with those menus like press 1 to do this, press 2 to go here or there, there's a way that you can pre-program that ahead of time. And so if you're starting to create a contact, you can keep this in mind. If you want to edit an existing contact, this little operation that I'm going to show you will work just fine. So I am in a contact right now.
Back button.
And there's my back button on the top left corner.
Edit button.
And there's the edit button. And we do want to double tap the edit
Done.
button.
Named.
And we'll swipe right.
Add photo. First name, text field. Last name, company, Amazon, remove, null, home, button. 888, 2831678. Text field.
So this is Amazon's accessibility phone number, just in case you need it and you're in the US. So if I wanted to add some numbers to this, let's say that when I call Amazon accessibility, which this is not the case, but let's say it was, that you're going to punch 1 to do this, press 2 to do that. And so what I would need to do is double tap this field.
Insertion point at end.
And here we are. And now we're going to go down to the bottom of the keypad underneath the 7.
4. 7. Shift.
And there's the shift. So I just lifted my finger on the shift. And what happens now is where the shift is now a star. And right above that is a comma.
Star. Comma. Comma.
So I press the comma. And now I'm also going to press that comma again. But I do need to do the shift key again.
Shift.
And then comma.
Comma. Comma.
So now what I have the phone number and I have 2 commas. What this does is it tells the automated system, hey, wait, there's something else coming. So let's say when I called this number, I needed to press a 1.
Remove. No. 1. 1.
There's the 1. And now the number will say what it said to you before.
Text field is editing. 888 283-1678. 1. Insertion point at end.
Okay, it did not verbalize the commas, but it did say the 1 is at the end. And so when I dial that number or activate my phone to call that number, it will press the 1. So I don't have to. Let's go ahead and demonstrate this on the Android phone.
503-555-1212, edit box, phone.
I have put in a number. This is our sort of information number for my locale. And so what I have also done is I am in the edit box, so I can now do the same sort of thing. And we're going to find the symbols button on the keyboard.
Symbol keyboard. Showing symbol keyboard.
So I pressed the symbol button on the keyboard, and now there are 2 things here that are available to us. There is a pause button and a comma.
Pause. 1212, comma.
Okay, so it just said the last few digits of the phone number, 1212, and it did say comma. There is also a comma on this keyboard if you should press that as well. Now on this keyboard, you do not have to find the symbol keyboard again. It is still up.
Wait. Semicolon.
And there's a wait. And the wait is going to be the same thing as the pause.
No, dial keyboard.
Now I need to go back to the dial keyboard.
Showing dial keyboard.
And now I'm going to add a number as if I needed to press that number when I'm in the automated menu.
2.
Okay, so now this phone number is as it was before, but it has the commas or the pauses and then the number 2. So I hope this is helpful. It's a way to create or edit a contact so that you can put into that phone number a couple commas. I usually put 2, and then I put the next number I would press. And if there is another set of commas you need to put after that, you can certainly do that and then put another number in. So I'm not sure of the length of the numbers you can put in because sometimes you have to, dial your phone number or your account number or something. I probably wouldn't put that sensitive information in there, but it's a really great way to deal with automated menus when you don't want to hassle with the dial pad on your phone and you just want the system to input the phone number you'd like to dial.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to this Digital Bite. My name is Jonathan Simeone. Today, I am going to show you how to customize headings in Word. I'm using JAWS 2025 with the September update, and I'm using an updated version of Office 365. So this sounds more like it will on your system. I'm using Desiree's computer. To help this make some sense, I've put some sample text, nothing exciting, into this document so that I can work with it here. I'm at the top line of this document, and just to show you what yours should sound pretty similar to this, I'm going to hit Caps Lock F to hear the formatting.
20 point. Dark slate gray on white. Aptus display. Heading 1 style. Line spacing. Single. Paragraph formatting. Aligned left. Outline level. 1.
Okay, that gave us a lot of information. So here, I want to change the font size, and the color. So to begin, I'm going to hit Control-Shift-S to open the style pane.
Control-Shift-S. Style name. Edit combo. Heading 1.
Now I'm going to Shift-Tab to the Modify button.
Autocomplete styles button. Modify ... button. To activate prep.
And I just hit the Control key to stop the speech. I'm going to hit space.
Space. Modify style dialog. Name. Edit combo. Heading 1. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value. Computer Braille.
And I hit the Control key to stop the speech again. And this is a box where you can pick a different heading if you want. I don't want to in this case. I'm going to hit Tab.
Style based on combo box. Normal.
That's fine. And I'm going to hit the Tab again.
Style for following paragraph. Combo box. Normal. To change the
And I'm just going to hit the Tab again.
Font combo box. Aptus display.
That's the default. And I, as I mentioned in my last digital byte, prefer the Verdana font. So I'm just going to start typing.
V-E-R. Verdana.
So I hit the down arrow to select Verdana. Now I'm going to tab.
Font combo box. Verdana. Changes the
And that's good. It reminded me that that's what I've selected. I'm going to tab again.
font size combo box. 20. Changes
The font size here is 20. I'm going to bring this down to 18. Now, weirdly, instead of hitting the down arrow to decrease the point size, you actually use the up arrow.
20. 18.
So now I have 18 point size selected. I'm going to hit tab.
Font size combo box. 18. Changes the fonts.
Okay, now that's good. Now I'm just going to tab through this pretty quickly.
Bold check, italic check, underline check, font color accent 1 button. To activate, press.
Now, a lot of this color stuff doesn't report very well with JAWS. Like, for example, what does accent 1 button mean? I don't even know. But I'm going to hit the space bar on this to open the color button.
Space, color picker. To move through items.
The color picker is really not good for accessibility. I'm going to hit the tab key.
Automatic, RG theme colors. White, back standard colors. More colors ... button. 1 of 1.
And I want the more colors button. I'm going to hit space bar on that.
Space, tab. Custom tab selected. To switch.
The custom tab is selected. That's what I want. When you first open this, the standard tab or some other tab may be selected. Custom is what you want. You can get to it by hitting the right arrow on the list of tabs, and I'm already on it, so I'm going to tab.
Custom tab selected. To switch page. Color model, combo box, RGB, to red, edit combo, 15. To set the...
Now, when we put in the colors, we have a range of 0 to 255 as the character values for the colors. In this case, we want the color to be black to get contrast. So all of our color values here are going to be 0. I'm going to turn my numlock on.
Numlock on.
And I'm going to type 0.
0, 0.
And I'm going to tab.
Green, edit combo, 71.
And I'm just going to hit 0 again.
0.
And I'm going to tab.
Blue, edit combo, 97.
And I'm just going to hit 0.
0.
Now, by putting zeros in these 3 boxes, we are going to wind up with the system understanding we want black. I'm going to tab.
Hex, edit OK button.
And
to
I'm gonna
activate.
Hit space on OK.
Space, document 1 word.
Now I'm going to continue tabbing through the modify style box.
Align left check, center check, align right, justify, singles, 1 point, double space, increase, decrease, increase in, style properties, add to the styles gallery, automatically update checkbox not checked. To only in this document, new documents based on this template radio button checked.
And
To
again,
change-
I down arrowed here to check this box because I want to update the template so that every document Desiree opens new now, when she uses a heading 1, it will use this formatting. I'm going to tab.
Format button menu. OK button.
And
To
I'm going to
activate
hit OK on this.
space. Modify dot.
And now I'm going to tab.
Styles style name. Reapply button.
And I'm going to hit reapply, so just to make sure it changes the formatting of my heading 1 in the document here.
Space. Document 1.
Now I'm going to hit caps lock F again.
18 point. Black on white. Verdana. Heading 1 style. Line spacing. Single. Paragraph format.
Okay, and as you can see, it made the changes I wanted. It's now Verdana font, 18 point, and the color is now black. You can do this for all of the headings. I would recommend it. As a few tips, I also want to tell you that your heading point sizes should be smaller. In other words, if your heading 1 is 18 points, your heading 2 should be 16 points, your heading 3 should be 14 points, and so forth. You can also get into changing the bold and italics property formattings on headings. Obviously, I didn't cover that here, but you can in fact do that if you want to through the format button by selecting font. In my next digital bite, I will be covering creating a template in Microsoft Word. Thank you for listening.
For more, check out unmute.show. You can email us at feedback@unmute.show.